This is Eleonora Lei. I am a NASA postdoctoral fellow at the NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, and I am a challenge author for the Navigator for the Habitable Worlds Observatory Challenge. Since 1995, we have discovered thousands of planets orbiting stars in the solar neighborhood. We call them exoplanets. The Habitable Worlds Observatory, or HWO, is a next-generation mission that NASA is developing to directly observe exoplanets and to expand our knowledge of Earth-like bodies, reaching sensitivities that we've never achieved before. When planning for this next-generation mission, we need to understand how the instrument parameters can impact the physics that we can explore. For example, two key parameters that define the ability of HWO to characterize an exoplanet are, first, the distance to the planetary system. The farther the planet is, the fainter and closer to its host star it appears. And second, the diameter of the telescope and the planet-star distance. A bigger telescope allows us to better separate the planet from the star. Your challenge is to develop an app to visualize in 3D the observational paths to the known exoplanets in the solar neighborhood as a function of their potential for characterization with HWO.
Hi, my name is Amber Young, and I'm a research assistant at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center and a subject matter expert in astrobiology and planetary science. Should you accept our challenge, the main objective will be to provide an open source application to the community that lets you visualize the population of exoplanets orbiting nearby stars in our galaxy and be able to pinpoint the planets that could be detectable with HWO, or the Habitable Worlds Observatory. The top 3 considerations for developing this app include the following. Number 1, interactive. An interface that is both user-friendly and intuitive will enhance the user experience and foster deeper connections between the user and HWO. Number 2, visual. This will be important for clearly displaying the relationships between the various parameters. And finally, number 3, a user-centered design. Our app may be used by a broad swath of the observatory's stakeholders, ranging from the general public to policymakers to NASA management. An approachable app that prioritizes the user's perspective will avoid overwhelming experts while also avoid alienating non-experts.
Hello, this is Geronimo Villanueva, the Associate Director of the Solar System Exploration Division at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. I'm passionate about the search for life and habitability across the universe and very excited about exploring these questions with our future flagship observatory, the Habitable Worlds Observatory. As you start developing the app, please consider the following resources. NASA's Exoplanet Archive collects all the currently known exoplanets. The database provides valuable information for this app challenge, such as the location and distance to the system and several key planetary and host stellar parameters. A powerful way to make your app in 3D and interactive is via HTML and JavaScript. Please explore the code of this 3D solar system visualizer that we share in the op call that you can adapt for exoplanets and stars across the galaxy. How the capabilities of habitable worlds are able to probe these planets depends on the distance of the system and several planetary stellar parameters. Please consider developing a filtering or color-coding system based on the capabilities of habitable worlds to study the different exoplanets. Thank you.